Welcome back on C-Square. In this video we're gonna look to polynomial function and we're gonna put the things together. Graphs, factors, and what else? Synthetic division. What do I mean by that? Look at here. Sometimes you're gonna get a polynomial function like this one here, right? F of x. And also, if you do not have the graph, get it on your graphing calculator. Why is that important? Because look at here. We have some important points here. The intercepts, right? And we have a third one. That one is the one that you will have hard time to find it using a graphing calculator or the table or something like that, right? But this one is -3 and this one is +1. So when you have an x-intercept of -3, right? The x-intercept -3, we have what we call a factor, right? Of x plus 3. Okay, so very simple to remember, -3 plus 3, that is 0. What is the other fact? What is the other intercept? The other intercept that we can read is +1. So what do we have? X minus 1. We have these two factors, right? So let me clear the screen now. We know what we can read on the table. And now I said here use the synthetic division. What do I mean by that? Okay, we're going to take this polynomial, which has 5x cubed, 5, -7x squared, -7, -49, and then +51, right? And in this guy, I'm going to do synthetic division. If you remember, the first factor I said is x plus 3 because you have this -3. I'm going to put this -3 here, right? Now we can start with the other one if you want. And the first thing, if you remember, we're going to drop the 5. Then -3 times 5 is -15. We add this guy, we get -22. -3 times -22 is 66. And if we add 49 and -49 plus 66, that will be what? -17, right? And then we have -3 times 17, -51. You should expect to get 0 here, right? Very important. You should expect to get 0 here because this is a factor. So by the factor theorem, we should get a remainder of 0. Okay, and now what am I going to do after that? I'm going to take these 3 guys I have, which represent a polynomial, by the way. 5x squared minus 22x plus 17, and I'm going to divide by, what was the other factor? X, remember, minus 1. So I'm going to put the 1 here. The same story, drop the 5. 1 times 5 is 5. If we add these two guys, we get what? -17, and then 1 times -17, -17. And again, we get 0 here. Should we expect to get a 0 here? Of course, because again, these are factors. And what is this guy here? This guy here is 5x minus 17. This is the third factor that will give you this intercept. So the factor form of this polynomial f of x will be x plus 3, x minus 1, 5x minus 17. So you see, it's very important to read the graph, get what you can get, do the synthetic division, and get the third one. Pause this video clip and try this one. Okay, so if you end up with this answer for number 2, excellent job. Be careful, don't do mistakes like I did it. You notice I copied the right numbers, I copied the wrong -12, I think here with 12. Don't forget this guy. Be careful in other words, and you should get easy problem. And very important, remember, first thing first, read the intercepts, which gives you the factors. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-Square for more math video clips. Thank you.